Peace, love, and light. This message is for the collective. I hope the sun is shining wherever you are and you're living in your greatest purpose. Thank you for your likes, comments, shares, and subscribes. Thank you to all who have booked personal readings, all who continue to like, comment, share the videos. Personal readings are being offered at this time. All information can be found in the community tab as well as the description box. Let's get into your messages. Okay, I'm hearing... so this is for the collective. I'm hearing time to get down to business. Okay, messages for the collective. Okay. Death and rebirth energy, the number 3. Let me get those flying cards. Okay, you got the 6 of Swords also showing up for you in your energy. 2 of Cups on the bottom. Okay, so this death and rebirth energy may have to do with your energy. Two of Cups showing up again. It's almost like I'm getting an energy of someone. It's like some energy coming back. Some energy of like some energy that's like resurfacing, or I'm hearing revival. Like someone bringing something back into your energy, or someone's energy. Someone's trying to come back into your energy. Tell me about this death and rebirth. You may know this person. You may be familiar with this person. So I'm hearing that, and this is exactly how it's showing up. All of a sudden they're a fan of yours. And so previously they weren't. I keep seeing fame. Three of Cups again showing up. You could be dealing with a water sign or someone. There's a water sign showing up that's kind of like that sees you in the spotlight. This person, it seems like they want to stake claim to something. Okay, tell me about the 6 of Wands. So, both fire energy showing up. So the energy of the 6 of Wands. This may be showing an energy that is current, or perhaps someone wanting this. Someone may see this with you. Someone This devil energy, okay, instability. It seems like there's an energy of like polar opposites. I keep getting polar opposites. Like it's like one thing is one way, the other one is going another way. Like even this, the 5 of Wands coming after the 6 of Wands. The 6 of Wands having to do with like recognition, fame, and then you have conflict. I'm seeing that there's a possible fire sign also showing up in your energy in regards to an energy of revival. And I'm seeing the words fame and fan. Like it may not even be that this person is your fan, or it appears like that. It may be that this person is, they've got some like, I'm seeing the words excessive ambition, almost like an obsession showing up. Okay, tell me more about this devil card. Okay, the person that's showing up in this devil energy may be a Knight of Cups. Someone who's wanting to speak to you, wanting to come towards you. Tell me about this 5 of Wands. Okay, so there is a Queen of Wands showing up in this 5 of Wands energy. Okay, you may be dealing with like different energies here. There's a fire sign showing up in your energy. This may be the Queen of Wands in the reverse. And I'm seeing I'm seeing like these energies possibly wanting to address something. And or it could be these energies like their past showing up. Like the past energies that these individuals were in could be what's being addressed here. Like it may be that you were dealing with both types of individuals, people who are conflictual, or it could just be that like the very same people that may have had some ego issues. It's like someone riding on their high horse, and your guides could be revealing who these people were or who they are. And I'm seeing that these are energies of the past that could possibly be watching your moves. Like this is why I'm hearing like they're showing up as your biggest fan. Huh. Okay, so this is okay. This energy that's showing up could either be an earth sign that's in the Knight of Cups energy, or it's vice versa. Okay, the roles may be reversed. It may be a water sign that's showing up with these kind of like characteristics, like someone who's showing up as excessive. I'm seeing it may actually be the other way around. Like you have an earth sign showing up in your energy that's in the Knight of Cups. Like this person is appearing as someone who's watching your moves. And I'm also seeing like this Queen of Wands, maybe someone that is currently in your energy. This may be a fire sign who's showing up in the reverse. Okay, so what do they want? Okay, Magician energy. That's interesting. And the Three of Swords. So, like, initially, right before the reading started, I was getting and hearing this. I was hearing revival, right? Like, it almost seems like this magician raising their hand up is like them kind of like, manifesting something. They could be manifesting a reconnection with you. Okay, so let's see what this Three of Swords is about. It could be that they're manifesting a reconnection with you. Okay, so it's like what I'm getting from this is like the Three of Swords is an energy of like heartbreak, an energy of possible sadness, you know, someone being upset. It seems like someone is trying to build up, possibly build up the stamina to come towards you, to possibly heal something, to make something work that didn't work before. Yeah, there's definitely an energy of healing showing up here. Like healing, revival. For some of you, this is someone of your past. This is someone, like, this is a past friend. This may actually be a water sign for some of you. Tell me about this. Whoever is showing up in your energy, there's a Three of Swords situation. Like, things didn't end well with this person. Okay, you have someone. This is someone that you have a close connection with that may be trying to work their way back into your energy. Someone's like building, they're manifesting a reconnection. That's what I keep hearing, a reconnection, right? They're manifesting some sort of like reconnection with you. They're manifesting a healed past with you, or manifesting. Tell me about this Three of Cups. This may have actually been someone that betrayed you, that feels like they can make things work. They can make their way back. See, this is someone that that's making some moves, like they're planning. Now, why is this Five of Pentacles here? Because this person feels at a loss without you. Okay, they want to move forward because they feel at a loss without you. Tell me more about this energy. So this person may have realized that they're seeing the error of their ways. Or it may just be that this person sees that you see them, and it's like they can no longer hide in the shadows because they see that you see them. And it's like, to leave things unsaid would be like to leave an energy of uncertainty. This person may feel like that would leave some sort of, it almost seems like it would make you see them a lot more, or it would worsen things. It's like the person that knows that you know something about them and you haven't come to actually confess, right? This person knows that you know something about them. It could be multiple people, and they're wanting to approach you to address something. Yet I'm seeing like you already know what's happening. Like you're already in the knowing. Like the star card is an indication of this knowing. 1552. Anything else you want us to know about this energy? Progress. I'm seeing I'm seeing energies of like delay. Okay, this person may have delayed. Someone feels like this person feels miserable. They want to free themselves from feeling like this. So they're deciding to, I'm hearing this person's deciding to make the first move. Yet this, especially the water sign is showing up as a King of Cups in reverse. There may be more to the situation than you know. Or it could be that this energy, this past energy, this person is wanting to free, they're wanting to free themselves of this image that they know that you have of them, right? Like they don't want you to see them in this light anymore. They don't want you to see them that way anymore. This person also this person also sees a lot more than possibly like an apology or coming to confess. Like there may be more to their confession than what you see on the surface. So it's like it may very well be that someone's building the stamina to manifest some sort of like a healed past. Yet I'm also seeing like they may have other agendas. Now what that agenda is, it's not showing up at this time. Okay, tell me about the Six of Swords. Okay. Like this moon card is giving, it's still giving secrets. It's still giving like, okay, we're moving forward and there's still something that we don't know kind of thing. So this person may have reached a decision to kind of to address like a reconnection with you. And I'm trying to see if this is about closure. It almost feels like it is like about closure. Eight of Cups showing up. Is this about closure? Like does this person want closure? It's showing that there may be other things, other intentions. It almost seems like there's some sort of like inability to move forward. some stagnant energy that this person's trying to address for themselves, for other things having to do with their stability. It seems like whatever energy is kind of like got a hold on this person, they're trying to address it in order for them to, so there's like a selfish kind of like, or a self-focused intention, or a self-focused reason, if that makes any sense, why this person is coming towards you. And I'm also seeing that like this, the self-focus part is them addressing some sort of energy that won't allow them to move past dealing with something with you. It's like they feel like they gotta address this. This person feels like they must address this. They are not able to move forward until they address this. See? They haven't let go. They can't let go. It's like this person feels like whatever happened between you and this person has got a hold on them. Yeah, like this person may be coming towards you to express this. It's like this karma's got a hold on them. Something's got a hold on them until they address this. And it's interesting that we're talking about like the water and fire signs showing up. So you may be dealing with a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or a Leo, Sag, Aries that may be wanting to come towards you to address. It's like this person wants closure. Someone wants closure. Now, their definition of closure and your definition of closure may be different. Okay? For some, this may be that they want a second chance. With this showing up, someone may want a second chance. That could be their closure. It's like they want to deal with something. I'm hearing someone wants to deal with the elephant in the room. So yeah, their definition of closure may be way different than your definition of closure. So this, okay, Star Venus supports an inner shift to higher consciousness, whether you consider yourself to be financially skillful. Okay, so for someone that's showing up in your energy, it has to deal with like stagnant energy that may be imposing itself on their progress, whether it's stability, financial stability. So I'm hearing that this healing may be for you as well as them. You are meant to experience abundance, creating and sharing prosperity from a place of inner spiritual security. A healing liberation from poverty consciousness allows the universe to work through you more easily. Without the obstruction of negative conditioning. I feel like there's a lot more to what was just said. It's like I'm reading it as like something is obstructing someone's energy from progressing towards possibly even like some financial goal, some sort of goal. It may even have to be, it may be due to like even like a partnership, a connection with someone else. It just feels like someone feels like you both could heal from this. All right, that's what I'm hearing. Someone feels like there is a stagnant energy between you and them that is in need of healing, and that both of you may need to heal from something in order for you to It's either like address it, close some chapter. That's the message. If this message resonates, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, love, peace, divine light.